This is just a hopefully short video just to show the end of this project, which I consider it now to be done. Both of these were bag kits. This was a trailer that came as a combo kit. It's an AMT trailer. Came as a combo kit, probably with a pickup truck or something, I don't know. But anyway, I got it off eBay in a bag because I just wanted a trailer. I did modify it, like I used plastic square tubing to put here to build some of the rail on each side. Put this piece here, I put this flat piece on here of the silver, and then I put a flat piece in here to cover this up, otherwise you could see through the trailer, and I didn't like the way that looked. So I put some square tubing in here to reinforce it, and then on each side here, so that the sheet plastic on the other side would have something to rest on. Overall, it's a good kit as far as the trailer goes. I mean, the trailers use a solid metal axle that goes through there, but you really can't see them. And just regular rubber tires and mag wheels. So I put this spare on there. That's from my spares box, spare parts. I wanted to have the spare, but this piece here, this bracket, was actually part of the original front metal piece that goes on here. I don't know what you would call it, tire rack or something. But anyway, I cut this down from that and then used some plastic tubing to attach it on there. And I actually put in a jerry can for gas in there, and then a fire extinguisher here. And that's about it, really. This was a bag kit, very simple kit. This came with a Ford Bronco. This is a Revell kit. I bought it on eBay as a bag kit just to get the buggy. I didn't get the whole truck combo and all that. I don't need to. I already built one of the Revell Broncos, so I didn't feel like building another one. But this is a good kit too. It's very simple, but it's easy to put together. And you could paint it any way you want. And I went with the yellow and the orange, and then I painted the trailer orange to match to go with it. So, and it comes with the ramps, of course. And it's pretty cool. I like it. I like trailers, so. Now I did put this piece on here because I thought that might be useful as, like, if you were working on the car or whatever, and you could stand on the trailer, and then you could put your helmet on there, or put your knapsack bag or whatever travel bag on there, and tools and supplies, or eat your lunch on it or whatever. But I thought it'd just be useful. The piece that comes with the car is really tall, and you can't see through it. And I didn't like that because you just couldn't see whatever's on the trailer. You would only see about this much in back. So I didn't like the way it was blocking the view. So I thought it made more sense, especially if you're towing it, to where you could see behind you. You'd be able to see the vehicle that was on the trailer. So, and I didn't need a tire rack and all that. I didn't want that. So that's what I did there. And then eventually I'll build probably a pickup truck. This is a die cast. But eventually I'll build some kind of a truck to tow it. Hopefully probably paint it orange and everything to go with it. And then we'll have a combo kit of my own to do it all. But anyway, that's how it came out. And I recommend either kit. If you buy a combo kit and you get it that way, that's fine. If you do find one on eBay and are just selling one or the other, usually they sell them in a bag, which is good. Because you save a lot of money. You're only getting half the kit, and you're not getting the other portion of the combo that you don't want. So, and that's about it. It's all done. It's all finished. And not much else to say about it. So I hope you like it. And you can A thumbs up would be nice. Subscribe if you haven't already. And check out my other videos, because usually if you're going to subscribe, just check out the other videos and you'll see other things that I built. And if it sounds like some stuff for you, or the kind of modeling you like, go ahead and subscribe. So anyway, and that's that. So we will catch you in the next video. Later.